Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students. Kids World. It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get a lifestyle. Today's result day. Excuse me?
Yes, please.
What's your name?
My name is Ritankar Dasangam.
How do you feel now?
I feel well.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Okay. Excuse me?
Yes, please.
What is your name?
My name is Shurjo.
Shurjo, today is your result, right? So how do you feel now?
Yes, I feel better.
Good. Thank you.
Welcome.
Good. Hello, now I'm coming to here. Excuse me?
Yes, please.
What is your name?
My name is Toba.
Today is your result, right?
Yes.
How do you feel now? How do you feel now?
I feel better.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Excuse me?
Yes, please.
What is your name?
My name is Tuad.
Swat, how are you today?
I am fine.
And today is your result, right?
Yes, sir.
How do you feel now?
I feel better.
Good, excellent. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay. Today is your result, right?
Yes.
So how do you feel now?
I feel fine.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Good. Excuse me?
Yes, please.
What is your name?
My name is Roja.
So Roja, today is your result, right?
Yes.
So how do you feel now?
I feel better.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Excuse me?
Yes, please.
What is your name?
My name is Samira Chan.
Okay, Samira, today is your result, right?
Right.
So how do you feel now?
I feel better.
Good, excellent, thank you.
Welcome.
What is your name?
My name is Labanya.
So Lavanya, today is your result, right?
Yes.
So how do you feel now?
I feel better.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Level test result will be published after a moment. Now they are waiting for the result and
এই পরীক্ষায় তোমাদের সবাইকে ভালো করতে হলে সময়কে নষ্ট না করে এখন থেকেই করতে হবে। এটার জন্য পড়তে হয় না, ইচ্ছা থাকতে হয়। তুমি যা করতেছো একটু ইংলিশ বলার চেষ্টা করবে। সো থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। তোমরা আসছো, তোমাদের ক্লাস শনিবার থেকে হবে অ্যাজ ইউজুয়াল। এই 2-3 দিন বন্ধ থাকবে, রিল্যাক্স করবে, নতুন ফাইল নিয়ে আসবে। ওকে, উইশ ইউ বেস্ট অফ লাক।